I'm Aaron.
Hi, I'm Hayes.
And we're going to tell you about a shadow day here at Alpha.
The first thing that happens is you get there and you sit down for morning lunch.
Morning lunch is when we have fun activities to get us all pumped up for core skills. And then we get on to step 2, core skills. What's core skills?
Core skills is what you do on the computer and try to get all your goals done.
What goals do we have?
Reading, math, language, and science.
And how do we know if we hit our goals?
If we get all the XP in our rings to fill them.
How do we earn XP?
If you get answers correct and work hard.
Yes, and we do that for 1 hour, and then what do we do?
Go to Q break.
What's Q break?
A break where you go outside and get everything out of your body so you can crush the rest hour of core skills.
What's after the other hour of core skills?
Lunch.
Yum, yum, yum. What's after lunch?
We come back upstairs and do some fun activities.
That sounds amazing. What's your favorite workshop we have?
The 5K Hero Habit. It's where we run 3 miles for a 5K. In the workshop, we're learning the life skill of grit.
What is grit, Hayes?
Grit is where you keep trying.
What do we do after workshops and check chart?
We do shoutouts and we do cleanatron.
What's cleanatron?
Cleanatron is where we clean all the rooms and whoever wins gets 1 alpha.
That sounds fun.
And then we pack up and go home.
For an hour, my son came out and he goes, "Mommy, I want to go to school here." And I said, "It's full day." He goes, "I know, but I'm ready."